Yeah, we got some interesting things. Yeah, that's a very short. I think that's a ghost boat tree. A very small tree, very young tree, I should say, but there are some huge fruits on it. They're very like normal size. For the size of the tree, they're big, man. Yeah, look at those guys there. Yeah. Well, that was kind of eye catching. So I had to come close and take a video of that. And the mango tree starting to make some blossoms, so they're gonna have mangoes pretty soon, man. If you can catch that, see that on the camera. Let me try to zoom up. See the little blossom something right there? Yeah, snap that. Right. Yeah. So mango's gonna be coming through. The nutmegs are doing a lot, man. Nutmegs producing, man. They're heavy. Some old cocoa pods from picking cocos and cleaning it. That's some old pods right there. And just walking through and see on that side. So young sucker coming up. The other one died, but replanted. Young banana tree there. This one's up, man. This one is coming up okay here. Sorry. Cherry tree. Cherry tree. No cherries at the moment. They had cherries some time ago, but cherries out now. Cherries out right now. Yeah. Cherries actually in the yard behind the house. And this is in the back. That's where after the planting and so on. Sorry. Yeah. Make a nice look from. Wow, we have some coconut on that tree here. Yeah. A lot of coconut there, man. It's a lot of coconut on that tree there. We've got a lot of coconut here. Yeah, we have some coconut here. This other tree trying to grow on the coconut tree. It's a parasite, man. It's trying to leave off the coconut tree right there. That's not very nice. Yeah. That's a small banana there. What's this one? Small banana. Hey, it's another one over there. Yeah. Breadfruit? No. That's bread nut. It's a bread nut tree. Some bread nuts on it right there. Yeah. See, I got two bread nuts here. When they're ripe, it gets soft. Oh, there's one on the ground. Let me show you. Yeah, so it will ripe, fall, and you gotta pick it up and clean it and get the bread nuts inside of it. The bread nut seeds. So you clean it, or you clean it and get the seeds out of it. That's the seed right here. Clean that up. Clean that up for the seed, and then you boil it, cook it. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. So that's a good one right there. Let's see what else we got. We got another shot coconut tree over there. I'll get some coconut on that one to drink today. And this mango tree died. That was a Julie tree. She actually died, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that mango tree there. Oh, which doggy? Oh, look at doggy. You're running. Yeah. Yep. Cassava planting. Cassava plants. Plant some cassava in the ground. Yeah, and that was the cashew I spoke about. Oh, we got some of this over here. So plant good for the common cold and those things, flu and so on. This one with the purple flower. Right? This one is good for, that's a stone crusher, the one with the seeds under the leaf. It's good for them um, bladder stone and so on, kidney stones and so on. He's more the bladder stone. Helps to crush probably all of them. Probably crushes all of them. But it's good herbal tea, man. Try some anytime I get some. Yeah, we have some young cashew. See if I can zoom up there a bit. Yeah. Right. So that's the young ones. They usually get red when it's ripe. Yeah. It's a big mango cilantro. Oh, there's a mango on it there, man. Let's go check that out. Who knows? It might be ready for eating. Let's go check that out there now before the mango decide he doesn't want us to get it. No, it's green, man. It's green, green, green. It's green. Yeah, green, green, green. So well, that looks like the only one. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, that looks like the only mango on the tree for now. We have another tree here that's shooting out some blossoms. So we're gonna have some mangoes soon, man. Yeah, yeah. Honeysuckle. A lot of honeysuckle plants in the back here. Okay, so let's go check out the other side. There's some water not over there. So see you in the next one. Peace.